Hey guys, how's it going? Here's Jamie's 85 Hurst 442 with the T-tops. Super cool. Love this car. One of my favorite T-bodies right here. Other than the Monte Carlos. Actually, my buddy Mike has one. That's his first car. So, yeah. Perfect. I'm gonna paint it. He wants it green with black stripes. I have a duplicate color paint. I think it's like a 90s Mustang color. It looks really good. I think it'll look really good on this. Jamie wants it that color. So, yeah, it will look good. We'll see you later, guys. And more on the GTX soon. So, yeah, we'll see you later, guys.